Daddy at Market Basket in Fall River. As you can see, I got myself a nice chicken dinner. And I got a Sprite with zero sugar, of course. And that's going to be my breakfast lunch. It is a very good chicken. It's a little bit dry, but I don't mind dry.
The restaurant was good shit.
I sometimes prefer the dry to a overly moist. This is really good. This is $1.99. And these cookies, which are sugar-free, $6, $5.99. I got my dessert. I got my drink. Got my meal. Look at this, nice drum. This is a very nice chicken.